my gosh, I think it's a tomato.
Hello and happy Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday. I don't know. I'm about to film my empties video for the month of June, so that's fun. We'll be doing a giveaway. And I've got on this cute top from J. Crew. Look, I have like a little line there where it like cinches in. Like my fat just pushes out. It makes me look like a pregnant lady. I love this print. It's so cute. A necklace, an old wantable necklace. Put on a little face. And can you believe it looks like I already got a little tomato? I'm so excited. Oh, yeah. I didn't film anything yesterday because honestly, like, my to-do list was a mile long yesterday. Yes, I'm still using stickers. I bought so many stickers back in the day that I refused to just like get rid of them. I'm making myself use them because I spent too much money on all of them. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. But yeah, I'm so excited I'm gonna have a little tomato. But yeah, I didn't do anything too worthy of filming yesterday. I literally did like a million loads of laundry, and then I sat at this desk and just chugged through a ton of random stuff. I did like a bunch of blog posts, so definitely check out Amandaphenomenon.com. There should be a ton of new blog posts, especially, actually, I think I'm publishing it today or tomorrow. A post about my favorite places to eat in Ocean City that are vegan friendly, so definitely check that out. And if you want to see more posts about some of my favorite places to eat around Baltimore or Maryland, let me know. I'd love to make that list for you. What else? Yeah, I just like did a lot of computer crap and work crap yesterday, and there was literally not a second to bother to film. So yeah. Oh, and then we finished up Below Deck Sailing. I need to watch the first 2 seasons. I didn't watch the first 2 seasons, but we just kind of got sucked into this season. I think, oh, because Summer House was on before, I think. Or no, after. So, yeah, I really enjoyed it. I like Below Deck Sailing out. The cast was really good. Anyway, I have my coffee. I have my empties sitting back there in my little bin. And I'm going to get ready to film. Doing a little reading out on the deck. It's so nice out right now. Really nice out. Blue skies, nice and cool. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Having my coffee. Checking out my plants. Really haven't done anything this week besides like work and chill. Ooh, a bee came in my face. But let me show you my little plants. There's a little spider making a web. I don't think it'll focus on it. But my tomatoes, I don't know if you can see them, they're growing. And then my jalapenos gotten a little bigger. Look at that. It's so exciting. I'd love for one of these to start growing so I could see what they'll look like, because I don't remember. But nothing yet. I need to use this basil. I haven't used this for anything yet. So it's looking good out here. My flower pots are looking good. I put my oil flag in this one. I think it looks cute. Looking good over here too. I wanted to sit out here this morning, but the seats are a little wet and I don't feel like drying them off, to be completely honest. And the pillows are a little wet, so I've got them in the sun to dry. But it is a lovely, albeit hot, morning. So I'm sure it's a lot nicer down in the yard because it's all shady, but I don't feel like going down there. Too far. Or me too lazy. One or the other. Hello and happy Friday. Let me pause my show. We watched The Boys, so we're caught up on that. We finished Stranger Things. Ugh. So good. So sad. So good. So good. And what else did we do? We watched Drag Race. I'm now catching up on Real Housewives Ultimate Girls Trip. So all the TV is caught up on. Gonna be good to go with that. And we really don't have plans for the weekend. We have tickets to go to the movies to see Jurassic Park on Monday. So whatever we get into this weekend, it's a mystery to me. Yeah. Eating some fruit. Oh, these buttons separate when I'm sitting. But yeah, I'm eating some yummy fruit and just chilling. Probably not gonna get into anything too crazy tonight, but I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, we don't have plans. So I just got a very interesting email from AllTrue. Apparently, whatever company owned them before, I don't remember what the name of it was in some sort of default, and they were purchased by another company. And sorry if I'm like 10 million colors because of the TV reflecting my face. But anyway, they basically sent out an email saying like, this is how you can file for a chargeback from your bank if you haven't already. We won't be filling orders that happened before this date. We'll be sending out spring boxes soon. If you already filed your chargeback and you want to rejoin, here's some coupon codes. To which I say, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Excuse me? They drop off the face of the planet and expect people to rejoin. I don't think so. I get that it's different people running it now, but like, come the fuck on. Really? Really? It's kind of absurd. But yeah, they basically said that since they were going through that process, legally they couldn't comment on anything. And the other thing that I'm thinking is like, it was documented on, I think, LinkedIn. One of the employees posted about how they were basically all told they were being let go of, like, with no notice. So that's shady too. I don't know. Are they hiring those employees back? What is the deal? I don't know. I'm not going to be rejoining AllTrue. I clearly am feeling some sort of way about how all of that was handled in the first place, so I'm definitely not going back, but I'd be interested to hear how it goes for anyone that does. Power to you, but anyway, I just wanted to update on that because I had filmed that video about it anyway. So, yeah, back to my Friday evening and my wine and the Orioles game. Hi, good morning. It is Saturday morning. I'm in this beautiful Rent the Runway dress with my cute little lemon earrings. Oh, I've got some fluffy hair going on. Let's deal with that. Got my Zeke's coffee. We went to the farmer's market. Let me show you what we got. We got some, I think these were white peaches, some cherries, and some really ripe strawberries. We didn't need a whole lot of food, but I just wanted to get some more fruit. I also took my new bag for a spin today. Austin's talking to the cat. Yeah, so this was nice. Fits everything I need. Nice little phone pocket in the back. And since we were at the farmer's market, I kept my cash in front for easy access. We also got these flowers. They're so pretty. Give you a little spinning look at those. Just lovely. Really nice. I love this vase. I don't remember where we got that. Is this the one my boss sent flowers with? This vase?
Probably.
Yeah. This might be my administrative professionals day gift vase, but I like that with the lines. It looks really nice. So we went to the mall. We went to Arundel Mills to return those Kate Spade bags. I don't know if I updated on that, but they did email me back and say they could not confirm with 100% certainty that it was vegan. So we returned those. I picked up a couple of the linen shorts at J. Crew Factory, which is something I've been wanting to do anyway because they're super comfy. And then I got, in Hot Topic, I got a My Chemical Romance shirt, which I could show you when we get home. But let me tell you, it was hot as fuck in all those stores. Oh my god. I went in the Levi's store to try on some jeans. I was so sweaty I couldn't even pull the jeans up. My body is just so tractioned with sweat. I was like, nope, this is not happening today. So we are going home now. Probably gonna relax a little. Good morning and happy Sunday. I never showed you guys in detail what I bought yesterday, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. Here's what I'm wearing today, just super casual. I think the shirt was from J. Crew, just like a big fluffy peplum-y shirt. And then these are some of the shorts I bought yesterday. I mean, I don't think this necessarily goes together that well, but it's what I'm wearing right now. So I got these linen shorts. They're super comfortable. I got them in a few colors because they were on extreme sale, and I had actually just talked to Austin this week about wanting to get more because I only have one pair and they're very comfortable. They're nice when you want to feel like put together and like you can leave the house easily if you needed to, but they're still comfortable enough to like lounge around the house in, if that makes sense. Like just really good for if you are going to be in and out, or if you're lounging most of the day and need to run out once or twice. So I wanted to get some more. So I got these like neon, they look really, really red on screen, but in person, they're almost like a neon coral, if that makes sense, but they look like straight up red on camera. And then I got these green ones. Kind of think I should have got the black ones too. And then I got this like light cream color, kind of like a creamy khaki. The other pair I have are more of like a darker, kind of like this color, like a cardboard bag color of the khaki tone. So I got these, and they should be nice and comfy. And then I also, my goodness, went in Hot Topic, which there's a throwback. It doesn't feel anything like it did when I was young. It's just a lot of anime stuff these days. But I got a My Chemical Romance shirt. I'm hoping it fits and isn't too big. I'll probably have to wear something under it because the armholes are really long, but they had this and an extra small. So wasn't a lot of selection, but I loved how it was kind of like that bleached tie-dye kind of look. I thought this would look really cool going into fall, and also I love My Chemical Romance, so loved. And funny enough, my name was still in the system, even though I've not shopped there in probably like 15 years or something. So that was kind of amusing. And the boy at checkout, I was about to say little boy, he's like maybe 17, 18. He's so nice. And he's like, when I was leaving, he's like, I just want to let you know you have such pretty eyes, or something to that effect. And I was just like, you're so sweet. Thank you. Especially because I was like feeling really old that my name was still in the system after all those years. But anyway, very happy with my purchases, and I returned those Kate Spade bags. I will never go to the outlet stores in Rehoboth or Queenstown again for that. If I ever need something from Kate Spade specifically, I'm gonna go to Arundel Mills because that staff seemed really knowledgeable and were very helpful and just way more together than the other staff. So just if you live in the Maryland area, keep that in mind. And yeah, I'm probably going to sit up straight or like start looking like hump. I'm probably going to DC Fran in the hallway over there. Hi, Fran. So she's probably waiting to be fed. Gonna get you some coffee. I know it like monsooned last night, so I'm gonna check all my plants outside. Gonna tip over the table on the deck because the way it's built, it collects water. And yeah, have a morning. I went to the grocery store and got a couple things. Sausage, ice cream sandwiches, some more black bean burgers, and the rest of this haven't put away yet. So we have cookies. Austin loves the Uncle Eddie's vegan. Some more mac and cheese. We like to have a box of that on hand all times. Veggie broth. Some orzo. fusilli, penne, a couple things of granola. I usually go through that every once in a while. Red onion. What do we have over here? Got a couple of the Pink Lady Apple kombuchas because they are wonderful. Got some Just Egg, 2 of those, and some Dave's Killer Bread bagels. Austin's been on a kick with those. Got 2 of these Shikai shower gels because they were on sale and they were cheaper than the price I get them at on Amazon, so I decided to stock up. And then 1 Wild Bee kombucha. And that's everything we got at the store, but we also got, well, Austin got his Liquid Death in the mail, but we also got some food from Land of Kush. I'm gonna put away our groceries and then we'll tuck into this. So here's my crab cakes, kale salad, potato salad. Austin got ribs, collards, and jollof rice. Then we also got, oh, Austin got nice tea, and we got chicken tenders. Have you looked at them yet? What do they look like? Oh, they do look pretty good, actually.
I'm good too.
We went to the Charmery and got some ice cream, coconut chocolate chip. I'm on a walk with my mom and Skittles, who's kind of oversitting. What do you think? Is it delicious, babe? Hey y'all. I feel like I've been doing such a crappy job at vlogging. Every time we go and do something, we get home and I sit down and I'm like, oh, I didn't film any of that. I'm trying to like be kind to myself because obviously this is all relatively new to me. I haven't historically vlogged or vlogged well. Anyway, I just wanted to pop in at the end of this one that just kind of feels like a bunch of random clips and just say I'm well aware these are maybe not the most interesting of my videos. I don't know. I'm trying. I'm gonna give myself grace, so hopefully y'all will too, because especially like it's just been kind of busy lately and we run to do something and I get home and I'm like, crap, I didn't film any of that. Oops. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.